Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are gonna learn how to use variables in Java. Java variables are fundamental components in Java programming that store data values. They act as containers for storing and manipulating data during the execution of a Java program. In Java, variables must be declared before they're used, specifying the variable's type and name. This tutorial will cover the basics of Java variables, including their types, declaration, initialization, and usage. In Java, a variable must be declared before it's used. The syntax for a variable declaration is data type space variable name. Data type represents the type of the variable, for example int or double, and variable name is the name of the variable. For example, you have int num or double temp. Java variables can be categorized into main types: primitive data types and reference data types. Primitive data types are basic data types provided by Java. They are used to store simple values. Byte, short, int, and long are used for signed integer. They differ in the size of the integer they can store, respectively 8, 16, 32, and 64 bits. Float and double are used to store real numbers, and float can store a 32-bit real, while double a 64 one. Char is used to store a 16-bit Unicode character, and boolean represents true or false. Reference data types are used to store references to objects, for example strings that represent a sequence of characters or user-defined classes. We will see reference data types more in depth in next tutorials. Variables can be initialized, so assign the initial value at the time of declaration or later in the program. An example of declaration with initialization is int age equal 25, and an example of later initialization is double salary and salary equal to 5000.0. There are also some variable naming conventions to follow in Java. For example, variable names are case sensitive, so age with lowercase a and age with uppercase A are different. You should use meaningful names that reflect the purpose of the variable. For example, if you want to store the number of people, you could use int numPeople, and variable names have to start with a letter, underscore, or $sign. And you have to avoid using Java reserved words like int, class, or public as variable names. Another type of variables are final variables, which are variables declared with the final keyword, which are constants and cannot be modified after the initialization. An example is final double pi equals to 3.14. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.